Yo, apart from bro when I ain't had bread, me I didn't hear from no one. I span that block on my pedal bike, and I didn't see no one. I was linking fucks and dogging them out and hanging up cars like hold on. Kinda weird, I missed that life, right, but it feels so wrong. Got paid but I had to stretch it, now I'm posted up trying to get it. She like, why you heartless? These hoes won't even get it. I got mad and I wanted to pull man up. If bros on go, don't tempt me. Don't even step with man if you're gonna explain to me why you left me. I was beefing guys that ain't got funds. Your line is slow, don't claim you shot. Dress code black in summer, same tracksuit, yo, man's not hot. Couldn't even book no hotel, told my yeah that I know one spot. Fed on the block, let's relocate if shit gets hot.
Shit, what you saying no man? I don't hear from you no more, bro. You good? You wanna check on man, fam? Just been on the block, man, doing my thing. You know how it is, bro.
Apart from bro when I ain't had bread, me I didn't hear from no one. I span that block on my pedal bike, and I didn't see no one. I was linking fucks and dogging them out and hanging up cars like hold on. Kinda weird, I missed that life, right, but it feels so wrong. Yo, shouted K like yo bro bleach it. At home debating the repercussions, yo fuck that I'm leaving. Ran man down in the daylight, probably like one zoo in the evening. Man always say real, recognize real. Really, what is the meaning? Car when bread's involved, them guys you're tight with moving different. Mumsy didn't expect this life from me when I was an infant. She saying I'm nonchalant, I'm glad you know how to listen. My neck went green back then, but now the VVs glisten. Apart from bro when I ain't had bread, me I didn't hear from no one. I span that block on my pedal bike, and I didn't see no one. I was linking fucks and dogging them out and hanging up cars like hold on. Kinda weird, I missed that life, right, but it feels so wrong. Apart from bro when I ain't had bread, me I didn't hear from no one. I span that block on my pedal bike, and I didn't see no one. I was linking fucks and dogging them out and hanging up cars like hold on. Kinda weird, I missed that life, right, but it feels so wrong.
Said I was done, I'm back at it again. Back in the car and we spin in the bin. Slide on your man, I'ma shoot at your friend. Knock him down and then we do it again. Glock automatic, I change the pen. Pull up hijack and we change the VIN. Don't give a fuck which lane you in. Nuck if you buck, not to burn out your skin. Tell him get low like we doing limbo, cause I'm stepping for show. You get hit in your toe. Never aiming at your motherfucking toe. That's where the tag going, not up to go. Asking my bro, is he puffing on Joe? He was telling me no, it's the nigga we smoke. I didn't know until I seen a ghost, so I called a Ghostbusters and sold him a boat. Dick in the mouth, she keep gagging and sucking. Nut on the cheek, she was laughing and blushing. Grabbing my heat, I be clutching for nothing. Crash out the league, get the up in the public. B223 told my nigga to tuck it. When I tell you bust it, you better start busting. I saw a witness, but I'm yelling fuck it. I started a tucking, it got me a bucket. Assaulted the car when the nigga was 7. When I turned 11, I told her to fail it. My nigga was naked, I knew I could smell it. When I'm feeling threatened, I turned into Melly. Free Melly. One pot, we made him drop. We spent this block, stand over tops. We never stop until I Glock go pop, pop, pop. Click, ayy, nigga, you know that I hit. I was up close when I spit in his shit. Bang the jit, then bang this bitch. 100 on it, no aim and shit. Burning, no cooling kit. My wax, no claiming it. Then see with the hammer, I'm too legit. I got a bitch and she really too thick. She be throwing her fist when she ain't getting dick. Really making me sick, but she do the one trick. When she split on the dick, got me coming so quick. And she suck like a ticket, her throat like a crick. Got me hard as a brick, so I shot me a flick. Ayy, she my dog like Vic. Ayy, do what I say, sit, say, dick. These nigga police, they just be on the cover. Know how they be, it can be on butter. Got in that gutter, start singing like Usher, but we let it burn like you fuck with no rubber. We let it burn like you fuck with no Jimmy. My name hold it weight, but a nigga be skinny. I'm shitting like poo, but I'm not talking Winnie. Shoot at your committee, I'm talking no kizzy. Yo, no kizzy. Ay, spin on the block till a nigga get dizzy. I make him take a seat like he was with Wendy. Catch him at breakfast or catch him at the club like DJ Envy. Give him shots of Henny. How many shots I don't know, gave him plenty. I let that boy tissue, you shouldn't offend me. Fall in the party, I got this bitch moving. All in the crowd with my motherfucking jury. Reaching, I give me a trial in the jury. Know I'm a rapper, I'm also security. Lucy tucked up in my mirrors. Fucking the groupie, she screaming, I period. Bitch was too wet cause I knocked on the period. She said it's the dick for me, period. Greatest to do it, need to bring me a trophy. Know that I'm gangster, but act like a yogi. Say you a killer, what nigga come show me. Started approaching, then he did a road. So much cheese on me, I'm getting loaded. Put the squeeze on him, I left him bloated. She better on her knee, I want sugar coated. She was the side piece, we got a promotion. Glock, order, Dre, go. Boy, you better lay low. Pop out when the case over. Pop out when the case close. Wonder where his face go. Get that boy, hey, low. My shooter off the mess, he be tweaking if I say so, bitch. Nigga. Oh yeah, I'm finna make a banger with this one. Huh? What? DJ on the beat. Now here it go, I just made it home. Missed calls on my phone, see I been gone. Was trying to hit a lick, but that shit just went wrong. I got a thought, she right off the block. Her crib be the spot and we got Glocks. Tucked all in her shit, don't come in unless you knock. But this bitch Grammy told her about this nigga, help me set him up and she was with it. She just want some shoes and she ain't get no fuck. So we do that, I was at his neck, creeping from the back, but saw the ops and had to let him have it. How fucked up is that, but what that bitch, she ain't called me yet. We did that at 6 and who got hit? I know someone check cause Keembon he don't miss. Now 2 weeks past, I'm back on my grind. I can't waste no time, now I spit quiet. They be whooping dope, but them niggas not sliding. I been high, I can't even lie that I been on my mind. Why she ain't called? I ain't seen her ass, I hope that she alright. Now it's midnight, I'm hitting some blocks. Just me and my Glock came to a stop. I'm at a red light, I usually don't stop. My phone keep ringing, just a hoe of course. This bitch probably bored, I press ignore. I ain't got no time, a whore gon' be a whore. Now I get that feeling, something ain't right. I look to my right and I'm like, damn, there go that flexing nigga. He waving his pipe, he get the dump. Bullets get the coming, my heart get the dumping. I feel something, my left shoulder hot, blood just get the gushing. I'm like, shit, ain't this about a bitch? And he with that bitch, I got a glimpse. She got them big lips that's made for sucking dick, now it makes sense. That hoe set me up, that little dirty slut, the double cross, trying to get me caught like I'm Randy Moss. Aw shit, I just dropped my gun, plus I got one arm, I'm trying to drive. I can't shoot back now, this man on my ass, I almost crashed. But I got the wheelie, trying to kill for real, but that go 12. He bust a quick right and I just bust a left. Shit. Fuck, gang, you good? Damn, my show, you know this bitch be fucking with me, gang.
Damn, man, finish telling me about that shit that was cracking off last week with them niggas and shit.
Oh yeah, look, now this what happened. A week later, my arm in the sling. I've been sipping lean, pure codeine. I don't feel a thing. My hoe say I need a blunt. Stuff that bitch will run. Boy, I'm on a hunt, ain't ate no breakfast, but I'm a boxer nigga. Like some Captain Crunch, I got a tip. That thot bitch be on 75th, right off Cottage with her best friend, getting her head did. I'm like cool, finna make my move. Post up what I do, this bitch a boo, but tryna play me out. Like that shit was cool, now it's like 2. Catch her walking out, her new hairstyle blue and she look cute, but that mean shit to me. I crept up, then I boom, and that was that. Now I'm running back, I stop in my tracks, that go that Porsche. How crazy is that? Boy, I'm on his ass. The first blast, it shattered his glass. Damn, this nigga fast, he hit the gas. I'm still shooting at him, but I'm too far back. Damn, I'm hyped.